Hello, today I present you a cutting-edge concept on which development I have spent past 6 years of work. Recently we developed a method of fabrication of 3D-dimensional macroporous structure made of bacteria called 3D-dimensional bioreactor. So the bacteria give their biological function and enzymatic activity. For instance, our 3D bioreactor composed of Clostridium acetobutylicum can rapidly transform starch or other carbohydrates into a number of valuable chemicals such as ethanol, butanol, acetone, and acetic acid. Advantages of application of 3D-dimensional bioreactors are the use of renewable resources, more ecologically clean and low energy consumption process. For a number of years, researchers try to prolong the duration of humans' life. My work is related to a way to extend humans' life with development of a simple method of fabrication of some artificial organs. Now human population has a tremendous demand in artificial organs, and it will expand even more in the future. Current level of medicine and biotechnology usually utilize stem cell technology and 3D bioprinting by mammalian cells. However, the implementation of these techniques are extremely expensive, time-consuming, and requires the use of sophisticated equipment. My idea concludes in following: to take a small sample of stem cells from the patient, to culture it in the media till efficient amount, then to mix the cell culture with a unique cross-linking polymer and to freeze the system. What happens during the freezing process? The growing ice matter crystals expel all cells into non-frozen liquid microphase, where cells become in close contact to each other due to cry concentration effect, which finally leads to formation of 3D dimensional macroporous structure. And defrosting of the system leads to melting of ice crystals, where the structure remains unchanged. Finally, this material can be directly implanted to the patient, where rapid proliferation of blood vessels and another functionalization is taking place, which leads to rapid recovery of the patient without any side effects. I believe that this is a 21st century cutting-edge technology which will have a great impact to regenerative medicine and biotechnology. Thank you.